Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about this, that, these, those. Are you clear? Again I am saying today we are going to learn about this, that, these, those. Are you clear? Now you have to recall the previous session. Okay, that means naming words as well as singular and plural. First we will recall the topic naming words. Naming words is also called as noun. Am I right? Okay, you just recall what are the things I am just saying. You just recall. Okay. First, naming words. It is also called as noun. The definition for naming words is name of the person, place or things. Okay, that only we used to say as a noun. That is a naming words. Okay, and come to next one, that is singular and plural. Singular in the sense it refers only one. It refers only one. Maybe a person or place or animal or things. It refers only one. Okay, and come to the plural, it refers more than one. Okay, maybe a persons or places or things or animals. Okay, that is plural. Again I am repeating, naming words is nothing but name of the person, place or things. Okay, and singular it refers only one and plural it refers more than one. Okay, there is a connection in this class. That's why I told you to recall the previous session. Are you clear with this? Today we are going to learn about this, that, these, those. Are you clear? Okay, let us learn that. You just see here. You have to find out where is the ball. Here is the ball. Am I right? So you just see if the thing or person or place near to us, okay, nearer to us, that time we can use this. Okay, when the person or place or thing which is nearer to us, that time we can use this. Okay, here you just see here how many balls are here. How many balls are here? Only one. I'm right. Okay, where we have to use this in the sense if it refers the singular as well as the thing or person which is nearer to us. Okay, the things which is nearer to us, that time we can use this. Again I am saying where we have to use this in the sense if the person or place refers singular, that is only one. If the thing or person is nearer to us, that time we can use this. Okay, and come to the next one. You just see here, where is the ball? There. I'm right. It is far from me. I'm right. So you just see, it is also used for singular. Okay, that is also used for what? Singular. This is also used for singular. That is also used for singular. You just see here. That is used for noun. That is the name of the person, place or things. It refers the singular. Okay, for the singular we can use that. You just see. Where is the ball? It is far from us. And right. So that time we can use that. Okay, when the thing or person or place which is near to us, which is nearer to us, that time we can use this. When the thing or person which is far from us, that time we can use that. Are you clear? Here this two, okay, this and that is used for only singular. Okay, this and that is used only for the singular. If it is near, we can use this. If it is far from me or far from us, we can use that. While mentioning that, we can use. Okay, and come to the next one. Here, how many balls are here? Okay, there are 3 balls. Which is nearer to me or far from me? Which is nearer to me. I'm right. So that time we can use these. Okay. For the plural which is nearer to us. Okay. For plural, maybe a persons or place or things which is plural in sense, and which is far from away, that time we can use these. Okay, here you just see where are the balls? Yeah, I'm right. So which is far from me. I'm right. So you just see this is also for plural. Those is used for the plural nouns that are far from us. Okay, the things or persons or far from us, that time we can use those. When the things or persons or animals which is nearer to us, that time we can use these. Okay, when the things or persons or animals which is far from us, we can use those. Are you clear with this forward? Again I am repeating, this and that we can use it for singular. Okay, and this when the person or place or thing which is nearer to us, that time we can use this. Okay, when the things or person or places which is far from us, that time we can use that. And come to the next one for plural. I am saying when it refers many people or many person, many animals, or that time we can use when it is nearer to us, that time we can use these. Okay, when it is far from us, that time we can use those. Are you clear? Okay, let us move to the exercise. Let's practice that. You just see where is the floor? Where is the floor? Which is nearer to me or it is far from me? Okay, how many floors are there? Only one. Am I right? So you just write it. So it is not nearer to me. Okay, it is far from me. You just that is a floor. Okay, you just see here how many floors are there? Only one. So here I am writing as floor, not floors. Okay, again I am saying the floor is not nearer to me, it is far from me, and then it refers only one, that is a singular. That time we can use that. Okay, are you clear? And come to the second one. You just see how many floors are there? Only one, and it is nearer to me. Okay, while compared to that, it is nearer to me. So what we have to write? When it is nearer to us, what we have to give for singular? Okay, this is a floor. Are you clear? The floor is nearer to me. It refers singular, only one floor. Okay, that time we can use this. Okay, in that case we can use this. Are you clear? And come to the next one. How many trees are there? More than one. Here there are two trees. Okay, which is nearer to me or far from me? It is not nearer to me. It is far from me. Am I right? So we have to write what? Those are trees. Those are trees. Okay, again I am saying the trees are not nearer to me. The trees are far from me. Okay, so that time we can use those. Okay, that time we can use those. And come to the next one. Here, trees which is nearer to me or far from me. While compared to this, it is nearer to me. I am right. Okay, we just write it as these, because here more than one. These are trees. Are you clear? These are trees. And come to the fifth one. Here there are two pencils. Okay, which is nearer to me or far from me? Which is far from me. And then you just write it as those or pencils. Here you just see we are writing as pencils, plural form. Here you just see you are writing as trees because more than one tree. There is two trees. Okay. Here also you just see trees. Okay. Are you clear with this example? For singular, if it is near, we can use this. For singular, if it is far from us, we can use that. For plural, if it is near to us, we can use these. When it is far from us, for plural, we can use those. Are you clear with this? Okay. If you have any query in this topic, you can ask me. Surely I will make you clear. Thank you so much.